Hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video. In this video we will discuss about three major projects from this year. And these projects are Polkadot, Cosmos and Avalanche. We will see together what's the difference between these three projects, and we will see why these three projects could be very interesting projects to watch out in the next year. I will show you the difference between the three projects and we will see together the charts. In the weekend it is not so much movement, 0.2% in the past 24 hours, Ethereum 0.2%, Bitcoin and Ethereum did not move at all in the past 24 hours, XRP 0.2%, so not much movement in the first places. Let's see the gainers. Ampleforth has moved a lot in the past 7 days and in the past 24 hours, 29.3%. Right tokens 15.6%, R-Wave 9.5%, RAN 7%, and Waves. And let's see the losers. Filecoin 14.5%. We've touched about Filecoin in our previous video, and I've told you the main reason for this drop, but we will see if this decline will continue and if this coin is for real or not. QCB unfortunately is the coin of OKEX, and because of the bad news that the exchange have stopped the withdrawals and it is shut down by the authorities, we are seeing a very drastic move to the downside. Nest protocol 4.4%. So the losers are not too big. So let's jump straight to our subject of the day. We are seeing Polkadot on 8th place according to Coingecko. We are seeing Cosmos on 19th place, and let's search for Avalanche, 95th place. So Avalanche is reaching top 100 coins according to Coingecko. So this is the Polkadot side. The Cosmos side and Avalanche. Three big projects that could be an interesting investment for 2021. Let's see what is the difference between these projects. Polkadot is a heterogeneous blockchain protocol that connects multiple specialized blockchains in one unified network. It achieves scalability through a sharding infrastructure with multiple blockchains running in parallel, called parachains, that connects to a central chain called a relay chain. Developers can easily build custom application-specific parachains to the Substrate development framework. So this is Polkadot. Cosmos is a heterogeneous network of many independent parallel blockchains, each powered by classical BFT consensus algorithm like Tendermint. Developers can easily build custom application-specific blockchains called Xenos through the Cosmos SDK framework. These zones connect to hubs which are specified, designed to connect zones together. Avalanche is a platform of platforms ultimately consisting of thousands of subnets to form a heterogeneous interoperable network of many blockchains that takes advantage of the revolutionary Avalanche consensus protocol to to provide the secure, globally distributed, interoperable, and trustless framework offering unprecedented decentralization whilst being able to comply with revolutionary requirements. So Avalanche allows anyone to create their own tailor-made application-specific blockchain supporting multiple custom virtual machines such as EVM and VSM with a written in popular language like Go. So this is Avalanche. Avalanche was built with serving financial markets in mind. It has native support for easily creating and trading digital smart assets with complex custom rule set that define how the asset is handled and related to ensure regulatory compliance can be met. The difference between the three projects. The comparison between the three projects is that Polkadot and Cosmos had started from 2018, and Avalanche launched his ICO in 2020. It was founded in 2018 and held an ICO in 2020. Polkadot project started in 2016 with an ICO held in October 2017. And Cosmos project started in 2016 with an ICO held in 2017. So while in story years for all three projects and the entire blockchain space as a whole, there is currently more projects confirmed to be building on Cosmos and Polkadot due to their longer time in development. Avalanche has been in development for a shorter time period, but it launched with an impressive feature set right from the start with ability to create subnets, VMs, assets, NFTs, permissioned and permissionless blockchains, cross-chain atomic swap with a subnet, smart contracts, bridge to Ethereum, and so on. Application can easily port over from other platforms and use all the existing tooling such as MetaMask, Truffle, but benefit from the performance, decentralization, and low gas fee offered. So Avalanche comes very fast with new technology. We are seeing Polkadot with 733 project building on Substrate, but as we can see on their platform, we are seeing 82 already on Substrate base, but in total 265 projects built on Polkadot. You can check this on polkadotproject.com. See guys, if Avalanche after a year from the mainnet will succeed to surpass the competitor Cosmos and Polkadot. Let's see together more difference between the three projects. So they are different, these three projects, and they can revolutionize the internet as we know it, and it will have a project, and it will have a very nice impact on the markets and on the cryptocurrency industry as well. As you all can see in the real world, there are a lot of industries and they are all competing with each other, but they are not ruining each other. To see more and more similar projects competing with one to another, and this will make developer develop better and better solution for blockchains. So let's see the comparison with Scalability. All three platforms offer vastly superior performance to likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum 1.0. Avalanche with its higher transaction per second, no limit of numbers of subnets blockchain that can be created, and the consensus can scale to potential million of validators and participating in consensus scores 3. So Avalanche is capable around of 4,500 transactions per second per subnet. Parachains in Polkadot are capable up around 1,500 transactions per second, and Cosmos is capable around 1,000 transactions per second. So this is why Avalanche is beating Cosmos and Polkadot on the scalability, because they can access 4,500 TPS per subnet, and there is no limit on number of subnets, and it's CPU bound. 10,000 plus CPU with higher spec machines. Unfortunately, the other two are faster than Ethereum right now. Polkadot is up with 1,500 TPS per parachain, limited to around 1,100 parachains. Relay chain is the bottleneck, and Cosmos up to 1,000 TPS per hub/spoke. No limit on number of hub spokes. Bandwidth bound. So it seems on scalability, Avalanche is taking an advantage here. Let's see on decentralization. Avalanche offers unparalleled decentralization using its revolution and consensus protocol to scale to millions of validators, all participating in consensus at the same time. There is no limit to the number of subnets and virtual machines that can be created, and they can be created by anyone for a small fee. Cosmos is limited to 200 validators, but no limit on its number of zone hubs that can be created, which anyone can create. Polkadot hopes to accommodate 1,000 validators in the relay chain. The number of parachain is limited and may be cost prohibitive for many, and the relay chain is ultimately a single point of failure. So here Avalanche score 3 points against Cosmos and Polkadot on decentralization, because it scales tens of thousands of validators per subnet, even millions of validators, all participate in consensus. Unfortunately, Polkadot has small number of validators per parachain, max 1,000 validators on the relay chain, and Cosmos has limited to 200 nodes before TPS loss. Let's see the latency. Low latency also greatly increase general usability and customer satisfaction. Nowadays, everyone expects card payments, online payments happen instantly. Avalanche achieved the best result, scoring 3. Cosmos comes with second with 6 seconds finally, and Polkadot 60 seconds finally, which may be 60 minutes for external blockchain scores 1. So here again Avalanche is beating Cosmos and Polkadot. Let's see the shared security. Shared security is mandatory in Polkadot and a key design decision in its infrastructure. The relay chain validators the state transaction all of connected parachains to scores 3. So relay chain validator state transition for all parachains. Each parachain will need to implement their own security to protect against censorship attacks. Shared security is mandatory. So Polkadot has the biggest score on security. Avalanche security is handled at the subnet level, which can consist on multiple VMs blockchains. Every validator in a subnet also has a node on the primary network. Shared security is optional. Unfortunately, Cosmos has the lowest score here. Every hub and zone has their own security. Reach into shared security with hub validating zones. Shared security is optional. Enterprise action. Avalanche is built for enterprise. It seems here Avalanche is winning as well. Permissioned and permissionless blockchain. Enforce regulatory requirements to join a subnet. 10,000 plus enterprise can all validate a subnet. No required to hold large amounts of highly volatile asset. Unfortunately, here Polkadot loses because must lock up a large amount of highly volatile assets in auction and change of being outbid and losing slot. Can enforce regulated entities to validate chain. Rollback on the relay chain would roll back the parachain. And Cosmos permissioned and permissionless blockchain. No required to hold large amounts of highly volatile assets. So here Avalanche and Cosmos beat Polkadot on the enterprise adoption. It seems Avalanche is built for enterprises. So let's see the interoperability part. All three systems are able to perform interoperability with their ecosystem and transfer assets as well as data, as well as use bridges to connect to external blockchain. So overall, all three blockchains excel with interoperability with their ecosystem and each scored 2 points. So all of them are great for interoperability. So let's see on tokenomics. It seems again Avalanche is beating Cosmos and Polkadot. Avalanche AVAX with its fixed capped supply, deflationary pressure, every strong utility potential to receive airdrops and low market cap mean it scores 3 points. Polkadot also has very strong utility with a need of auction to acquire parachain slots, but has no deflationary mechanism, no fixed cap supply, and already valued 3.8 billion. Their scores 2. So Cosmos Atom token is only for the Cosmos hub, of which there will be many hubs in the ecosystem and have very little utility currently. So it seems Cosmos is losing on this side of tokenomics. It's already valued at 1.1 billion, so it scores 1 point. It seems Avalanche is getting more and more attention for all the aspects. So in my view, Avalanche could be a good investment possibility for 2021, but because of all of this and because it is an early project and it could be better than both Cosmos and Polkadot, and it could raise quicker than both of them, but also it could not deliver what other blockchain like Cosmos and Polkadot have delivered till now. But time will tell, so we need to let Avalanche grow. So all three are excellent projects and have similarities as well as many differences. There won't be one platform to rule them all. However, with some use cases better suited to one platform over another. Blockchain is going to completely revolutionize industries and the internet itself. The more project research and delivering breakthrough technology, the better. Each learning from each other and pushing each other to reach the goal earlier. The current market is a tiny speck of what's in store in terms of value and adoption, and it's going to be exciting to watch it unfold. So guys, I found this article very interesting about these three great projects, Cosmos, Polkadot and Avalanche, and they have dominated the space this year. We can see that the new technology comes with better implementation from all technology, but we will see if Avalanche will succeed in the future and attract more and more people to build on Avalanche. Let's jump straight to the charts of all of these projects. This is the Polkadot. I'm using the 4-hour chart, and we are seeing here a descending triangle. Descending triangle can be a bearish pattern or a bullish pattern. Here are some examples. This is a bullish pattern, and this is a bearish pattern. So Kirkpatrick and DeQuest state that descending triangle break the downside 64% of the time, but could break to the upside too. Price break up, price fails to gain at least 5% from breakout only 7% of the time. The average maximum gain before any 20% decline is 47%. So we could have 47% to go to the upside here. If we break here to the upside, we can get a great move on Polkadot. Let's see the Avalanche chart. Here we are seeing the same pattern on the 4-hour chart. We can see Avalanche is almost ready to break to the upside. This could be a bullish sign. Site has the same pattern here too. On the 4-hour chart, we can see if it breaks to the upside, we may see again a bullish run up for Atom 2. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I am just showing you guys the possibilities on all of these three blockchains. So all of these three projects are very, very interesting to follow in 2021. We will see the development in all of these projects even after the launch of Ethereum 2.0. But the competition is very strong in the blockchain industry. So I can't wait to see how things will progress in the future. I think 2021 will be a very interesting year, and we will see many projects built on all these blockchains. I am sure Avalanche will attract more and more attention. As you all can see, it is on 95th place, very low market cap, $100,000. And the price are similar. Avalanche is $4.16. Let's see, Cosmos, Polkadot $4, but it's on 3 billion market cap already. And Cosmos $5.6 with $1,326,000,000. So imagine if Avalanche could gain 10x from now. In my point of view, Avalanche is the winner in taking an advantage of investment in Avalanche from a trader point of view, because it has the potential of 10x or more. but as usual I am not a financial advisor, so you guys can research on yourself and take your own decision on which project is better to invest in. At the end of this video I want to share that Verus Mobile Wallet 2.0.20 beta has released a day ago. So announcing Verus Mobile version 0.20 beta is now available for Android and iOS. So this is a test version. This is one of the most comprehensive upgrade to Verus Mobile since it initially released, and it acts as a strong foundation for our upcoming Verus DeFi and PBAS. Currently support fiat gateways as well as Z-address and Verus IDs. The ERC20 token support also paves the way for ETH bridge work, as well as supporting a Red Fox Lab claim button for their ERC20 migration. So Verus is getting very strong in development, and from my previous videos you have seen that I am already mining Verus coin, and it is a very profitable coin. Please take a look on the Verus and give it try. So this was my video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy and like my videos. I will bring you more information as soon as possible. I wish you a very nice day. See you guys in another video. Bye.